Hi, welcome to UNIX Academy. This is Sri. Now I am going to explain physics subject regarding the competitive exams like JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Without any delay, let us start. The first topic is units and dimensions. Introduction to physics. There are many events we come across in our daily life, like how rain comes, who is catching the earth for it to rotate, how does a flower turn into fruit. There are so many other numerous questions and problems we need to be answered and to be solved. The answers of these phenomena is possible only through the study of physics. Physics is the study of law of nature. Now let us talk about measurement. Measurement has an important role not only in physics but also in every branch of science and everywhere in our day-to-day life. Measurement should be made for knowing about the physical quantities. Quantity means size, amount, magnitude, or simply stated as the answer for how much or how many. Physical quantity. The quantities which are measurable are called physical quantities. Example: length, mass, time, speed, etc. Measurement of physical quantity. Measurement of the physical quantity involves two steps. Step 1. Choose the standard value as a unit of measurement. Step 2. Find how many times that unit is contained in the given physical quantity, which is numerical value. Example: length of a table equals to 5 meters. Here, length is the physical quantity, 5 is the numerical value, and meter is the unit. That is, physical quantity equals to numerical value into unit. Note: the number of times a standard quantity is present in a given physical quantity is called numerical value of physical quantity unit. In the earlier days, people used to measure length with the help of various parts of the body, such as hand span, foot span, arm, or cubic, etc. Let us continue next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.